Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to make HTTP requests using Flutter HTTP package. Flutter HTTP package is a composable, multi-platform and future-based API for making network requests. In this tutorial, we will be using this Flutter HTTP package, which you can find in pub.dev. Make sure you add the latest package dependency into your Flutter project. To prevent any version error, make sure you are using the same environment SDK as mine. Once we added HTTP package dependency, we can now run the Flutter application. For tutorial purposes, here I have created a very simple Flutter application with just a scaffold and an elevated button. And when the elevated button is pressed, it will make the HTTP request. And the Flutter application successfully launched. In order to use Flutter HTTP package, firstly we need to import the package into the main.dat file. Next, I'll be creating the HTTP request function inside the elevated onPressed function. Firstly, we need to create a URL variable that stores the request endpoint. URL.http accepts three parameters, which is authority, unencoded path, and query parameters. In this tutorial, I will be using JSON placeholder, which provide free fake API for testing and is powered by JSON server. For tutorial purposes, I will be using this fake API, while you can't change the path to the API endpoint that you wish to make requests to. And this is the JSON content of the fake API. Now I will copy the link and paste it into the URI.http function. Because we are using URI.http method, we can remove the HTTPS method in our API endpoint. And as I mentioned just now, URI.http accepts authority and unencoded path. Authority is whatever before .com, and whatever after .com is considered unencoded path. And this is how we create URL. Next, we will call the HTTP GET method to make the HTTP request to this URL endpoint. Flutter HTTP package is a future-based API. Don't forget to add a wait and a sync to the onPress function. In order to check if the HTTP call made successfully, I will print out the status code and the body of the response. And now we are ready to test this HTTP function in the simulator. I will pull up the console terminal to see the printed response. And when I click on the elevated button to execute the HTTP request, as you can see, successful 200 response printed out and the response body printed out. And the printed out JSON content is the same as the URL content. And this is how we make HTTP requests using Flutter HTTP package. Here comes to the end of the tutorial. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial.